Good morning students. Today we discuss the second topics. Name of the topic solutions. Here we know that there are different types of state of matter. Here first one solid, liquid and gases. Matter on the basis of physical composition they classify into solid, liquid and gases. These are the three different states of the matter. Then here these three states solid, liquid and gases. These three states combines or any two of these states combines, there is formation, they are combined, there is formations of different solutions. Here we discuss the maximum, first point, solutions. First thing, what are the solution? Solution means the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in specific amount of solvent. Means here two concept is most important. First one is the solute and second one is the solvent. We get the solution. Clear? Maximum amount of solute is dissolved in specific amount of solvent. Here it gives the solution. Clear? Then here this solute is available in three states. First upon we know that state of matter, which one? Solid. Second one liquid. And third one is the gases. These are the three states of matter. Then what? Here solute. Solute is here in solid state, in liquid state or in gaseous state. Same thing, your solvent, this solvent is available in also three states. Which one? Solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. Clear? Means this suppose here we take example sugar. That sugar, here sugar is dissolved in water, we get sugar solution. Means sugar, this sugar, it is the solute. Your solvent, we use the solvent is here water. When sugar, their maximum quantity of sugar, they dissolve in the water, it gives the solution. It is called as the solution. Clear? That sugar means sugar, it is in which form? Solute, it is in solid form. Here water, that is in liquid or solvent. Solvent is what? Water. And this water, that is in which form? Liquid state. Clear? Means solute is available in three states: solid, liquid and gases. Here solvent is also available in three states: solid, liquid and gases. It gives the different types of the solution. Clear? Then here solution. We know that solutions are two types. Which one? First upon here solution, it is into two types. We know first one homogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution. And second type is the heterogeneous. Clear? Heterogeneous solution. First upon we discuss the homogeneous solution. We know that homogeneous solution means it is also called as the clear solution. Clear solution is formed, it is called as the homogeneous. Okay. And here hetero means what? Different layer is formed. In hetero solution, hetero means different. Here we take example, heterogeneous solution, it is here, that means turbid solution. Clear? Turbid solution or colloids, or it is also known as the suspension. Clear? The next one, here this solute is available in three states, means solid, liquid and gas. Solvent is also available in any three states, solid, liquid and gas. Their combination, solute dissolved in solvent, we get the solution. That means this solute dissolved in solvent, it gives the 9 types of solution. Here 9 types of solution. Which one? Here first upon, this is the 9 types of solution. Here first column, here state of the solute. State of the solute means what? this solute is available in which state? First upon here solid state, second in liquid, and third one is the gases. Means this solute is available in first state, solid, liquid and gases. Clear? The second column, state of the solvent. This solvent is available in which state? Here first upon liquid, solid and gas. Means solvent is available in also liquid, solid, liquid and gas. Clear? Then here we take different examples in this column. First upon we discuss the first types of solution. That solution first types means solid solution. Here this solute is solid solution. Clear? This solute is available in which form? Solid form. Then here solid, it dissolving first liquid, solid is dissolving solid, solid is dissolving gases. Clear? Means solid solute dissolving liquid solvent, we get the solution. Here we take example, solid means here example benzoic acid in benzene. Benzoic acid is what? Solid solute. And here in benzene, benzene is available in first state liquid. And that benzene it is called as the solvent. When benzoic acid means the quantity of benzoic acid is dissolved in the benzene, this benzoic acid is the solid and your benzene is in the which state? Liquid. This benzoic acid it is called as the solid, means it is your solute. The small quantity dissolved, maximum quantity dissolved, it's known as the solute. And it dissolves in which solvent? In which solvent? Benzene. That is in which state? Liquid state. Clear? Then another example, best example here, sugar in water. We know sugar it is in which form? Solid. It is called as what? It is called as solute. And here water. Water is available in which form? Water is a solvent which is available in which form? Liquid. Yes, means solid in liquid. This is a first types of solution. Then second types, here solid in solid means your solute in which form? Solid state. And solvent means dissolve कशात करतो आपण? Solid मध्येच dissolve करतो. Clear? मग example metal alloy. Metal alloy मध्ये best example here copper आणि गोल्ड. कॉपर मेटल alloy म्हणजे काय? कॉपर आणि गोल्ड असेल. क्लिअर? मग कॉपर कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये? सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये. आणि गोल्ड पण कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये? सॉलिड. म्हणजे सॉलिड आपण प्युअर गोल्ड कधीच फॉर्म करत नाही. प्युअर गोल्ड मध्ये सब मिक्सिंग करतो आपण. कसली मिक्सिंग असेल ती? काही अमाऊंट मध्ये, मॅक्सिमम अमाऊंट मध्ये कसं काय असेल? कॉपर असेल. म्हणजे कॉपर आणि गोल्ड दोन्ही कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये? कॉपर आणि गोल्ड सॉलिड, म्हणून त्याला आपण म्हणतो सॉलिड टाइप्स ऑफ सोल्युशन. देन हियर ब्रास, ब्रॉन. नेक्स्ट वन सॉलिड अँड गॅस मीन्स हियर आयोडीन इन हियर. आयोडीन हा कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये? सॉलिड मध्ये. आणि इन एअर मध्ये डिफरंट गॅसेस असेल मिक्सचर, म्हणजे एअर कंटेन डिफरंट गॅसेस, नायट्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. These are the different gases present in the air. Clear? Means iodine solid mix in air. Air means different gases. Means solid gas types of solution. Clear? This is the first solid solution. Here solid solution, solid liquid, solid gas. Then next point, first झाला आपण solid consider केला solute. Second point we consider here liquid. Okay. Then here liquid. Here liquid is solid and gas. That liquid solute is which state? Liquid. And your solvent is also in which state? Liquid. Liquid dissolving liquid. Here take example ethanol in water किंवा gasoline असेल. इथेनॉल कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये? इथेनॉल लिक्विड स्टेट मध्ये. क्लिअर? आणि वॉटर, यू नो वॉटर इन which state? Liquid state. Liquid ethanol liquid solute dissolving liquid solvent. It is the both are not liquid. Then next one liquid. Your solute is which form? Liquid. Then solid, liquid solid means here example amalgam. Then we take mercury, zinc किंवा mercury, silver. Mercury, zinc. Mercury हा कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये असेल? Liquid. In which state mercury? Liquid. And zinc powder, it is in which form? Solid. That means amalgam. Then next one, liquid gas. Liquid gas means here moisture in air. Moisture means it is in liquid. Air means what? Gas. Moisture in air. किंवा chloroform in nitrogen. Nitrogen is what? Gas state. And chloroform is what? Liquid state. आता chloroform हे काय झाले? Solid. आणि nitrogen काय? Gases is a solvent. Clear? Then next one here, 7 types. Gas. And here one, liquid. Gas, liquid. Gas liquid mixtures means what here? Here gas means carbonated water. Here take example CO2 is water. आपण cold drink म्हणतो. ते cold drink किंवा carbonated water असेल CO2 in water is example. त्यात CO2 हा gas झालाय आणि water हे solvent कुठले? Liquid आहे. Clear? Then next 8 number solution, gas solid. gas solid मध्ये इथे या ठिकाणी एक्झाम्पल असेल हायड्रोजन इन पॅलॅडियम. आता पॅलॅडियमचा सरफेस असेल किंवा चारकोल असेल त्या चारकोलचं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं. चारकोलवरती काय हायड्रोजन गॅस, कुठला गॅस ॲडसॉर्ब जर झाला सरफेसवर ॲडसॉर्ब होतो, तो ॲडसॉर्प्शन फिनॉमेना. तर हायड्रोजन गॅस हियर हायड्रोजन इन पॅलॅडियम. पॅलॅडियम हे सॉलिड मध्ये आणि हायड्रोजन इन विच स्टेट? गॅस. हायड्रोजन मीन्स सोल्यूट झाला आणि सॉल्व्हंट कुठला झाला? पॅलॅडियम. बट विच स्टेट? सॉल्व्हंट. देन लास्ट 9th types of solution is the gas type. Gas type means what? Both is the solute is also gas state and your solvent is also gas state. Means here example, which one? Air contain different gases, mixture of air. Air contain different gases, oxygen, nitrogen, argon, other carbon dioxide. Clear? Means this solute, maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in specific amount of solvent, we get what? Solution. And this solute and solvent, they are different state, they are mixed. There is formations of use 9 types of solution. Means first, second and third. First type, solid solid, solid liquid, solid gas. Then second, liquid solid, liquid liquid, liquid gas. Third, gas solid, gas liquid and gas. And it gives the different types of the solution. Thank you students.